how far we make it.
We've got this little area all to ourselves.
That's probably my favourite spot so far of waterfalls we've seen. Work it, baby. Yeah. Wow, if you can't half tell.
We made it to Litchfield.
Where are we?
We're in Litchfield National Park. We're staying at the bush camps, or Litchfield bush camps or something. It was $25 a night.
Yeah. So, anyway, we are at the Waterfalls having a swim in the afternoon.
Mum.
Yeah. What do you reckon?
Yep.
Oh, we're in Litchfield every afternoon in here.
This is a nice one. This is a nice one. At least it's flowing.
Yeah. That's probably my favourite spot so far of waterfalls we've seen. Look at that. Right. A good time, bud. What do you reckon? Because people are starting to clear out. That late afternoon swim just before you get clean on those crocs, mate. You're bringing new skis. So I heard that these little they're like styrofoam balls. That's their crocodile. It's like a toy for the crocodile. Apparently crocodiles eat it, and that's how they know if they've got crocodiles come through, because that'll get a bite or something in it. I thought they had that Mataranka. Someone told me there had the same thing here.
Alright, so we're doing dinner on the fire tonight. We're actually doing steaks and the kids are going to have some little frankfurts, but Logan has been practicing his making of baked potatoes on the fire. So he's going to show you what he's doing. What are you doing at the moment, bud?
You have to stab it 6 times.
Yes,
or maybe 7.
Yeah, good job.
All around.
So we're stabbing with the fork. Yeah, that's it. Put it in the middle.
Yeah, I forgot.
Bit of butter.
Can I do the next one, Mum?
You can do the next one, yep. That's it.
Wait,
Now our seasonings. A bit of garlic, that's enough.
Just have to make sure.
Yeah, rosemary, a little bit of rosemary. That's it. And a little bit of salt.
It's that easy.
Yeah, that's it. And we're going to go put them on the fire. We've got 4 here that we've just prepared earlier.
Now I'm going to do the next one.
Yeah, you're going to help bring them over to the fire. We'll put them on the fire. Alright, so we're putting them on the fire. Good job, Indy.
You got one more?
One more. Where are you going to put it? Good job.
Yeah, probably I might need 3 more.
Leave them on there for a little bit.
I might need 3 more.
3 more potatoes?
Yeah,
How many potatoes are you going to make?
I'm going to make them.
Where have we been today, Logs?
Waterfall.
We just went to the waterfall. We had a chill day today, didn't we? Pretty good spot here, isn't it? We've got this little area all to ourselves. Daddy's got his awning out on the track. Beautiful. Perfect spot for a fire. For a fire dinner, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, not gonna get much better than this.
How are you gonna get back?
Alright,
That looks cool.
dinner on the go.
Yes. Oh.
Yum, who's ready for dinner?
Me.
If you haven't got one of these, you got to get one of these from Bunnings. Barbecue Go. So throw it in, check your temps. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. I'll just give that a quick. There's one.
Yeah, cool.
But then you got to let it rest. And we'll just. Potatoes need a little bit longer, so we'll give them a quick flip.
Over there.
5 minutes, I reckon we're eating.
That's if the psycho kids want to come and eat.
Oh.
Look at them right in the background. Oh my god. They were clean.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll just enjoy everything else going on out here, Dale, won't we?
Sunset behind us.
There's the big rig. All that. Gold now. Doesn't get much better than that.
How's your potato?
Good.
Good. How's your potato?
Bad. I'm just checking. Good.
That's good.
Alright,
I
here comes another one.
Job, everyone.
made
Oh,
Look at that.
look at it.
Beautiful. 2 potatoes.
You ain't gonna eat 2 potatoes.
Oh, I will. I'll eat all of them.
Dad has done a good job on that steak. Look at that.
But it's medium rare, guys.
Beautiful.
Guys, it's really medium rare.
That's what we aim for, isn't it?
Yeah. You can make these one day.
Do you like your potatoes?
Kind of.
Are they yummy?
You're a big bloody steak perfectionist too, aren't you?
I am. I do judge
I'll
a
go
good
back.
steak.
The potatoes look good. The
No, I
steak.
did the good steak.
Boil the camp oven off there and then be ready for the next night. Look at
More
this.
baked potatoes tomorrow.
Well, that still, yep. Sunset's still going down. Alyssa's bra's hanging up in the camera. In the
It's my swimmers.
oh, swimmers. All right, how's Tucker?
Wait, guys.
Yum.
Wait, guys. You can
So
do
good. We're checking out Florence Falls today.
Yeah, yes, got out of bed early.
I wanted to do it while it was cool and not in the heat of the day. It was going to be 35 today.
Yeah.
So from what we've heard from other people, they're pretty epic.
Yeah, well, I thought Wangi was the best one I've seen so far, but I heard from other people that this one's better than Wangi Wangi. I don't know how you pronounce it. So sorry,
Pronunciation.
sorry
again.
with the pronunciation, but anyway, I'll see what it's all about, huh?
Yeah. Go check it out. You ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Josh used to go the hardest way. Pretty cruisy little walk, isn't it? What do you reckon, mate? Hey? Good?
So we're at, what was it? Bluey?
Bully or something?
Bluey.
No, Bull, B-U-L-E-Y.
Bluey.
One more.
That says Pond of Life, yeah. Bully. I don't know, rock pools, something like that. You check it out, Lo?
Yeah.
Wait for me. Keep watching you when you leave. Something new. Keep hoping you feel this too. Holding on and on and on and on. Hoping I can get to know you better. Living in sweet suburbia. Some fun is all we want. Two kids come alive in a night rush. I'll be the girl next door. You be my summer crush. Yeah, I think you should come and pick me up. 'Cause nothing feels as good as summer.
Oh my goodness, on your belly and everything. That's definitely not comfortable.
Here's hoping this night will last. Just let go. We're spinning with our eyes closed. Holding on and on and on and on. Hoping I can get to know you better. Living in sweet suburbia. Some fun is all we want. Two kids come alive in a night rush. I'll be the girl next door. You be my summer crush. Yeah, I think you should come and pick me up. 'Cause nothing feels as good
Surely that's
as
gonna...
summer.
It pushes you into the rock.
Two kids come alive in a night rush. I'll be the girl next door. My summer crush. Yeah, I think you should come and pick me up. 'Cause nothing feels as good as summer.
You just gobble the board up.
Alright, so it's bloody hot today, so what better way to spend it than doing a full drive track where we can stay in the truck, in the aircon. Now, you've been banging on about this full drive track, but we have been warned that, well, we left the boat on, we took the bikes off the sides of the boat, like the push bikes.
the bike sit up on the canopy and
Because we were warned that we might be a bit tall for the track, but we'll see how far we get.
Yeah, well, with the bike's off leash, the handlebars don't get caught on the sticks overhanging. The boat should just
Boat
slide
should
over the
push,
top.
yeah. Boat should push everything to the side, but yeah.
We'll see. Give it
See
a
how
go.
we go. But it's a full drive track to Surprise Creek, so in the Litchfield National Park.
We'll
See what we get up to.
see how we go. We'll see how far we make it. Don't know if we'll do the whole thing. Hopefully we can, but anyone's guess. We'll see what happens.
You excited?
Yes.
track.
Well, so there we go. I'm not going to air down just yet. Track has deep water crossings, washouts.
Well, it was definitely a good idea to take the bikes off because we've already gone through some trees that would have got stuck on the bikes.
Alright, our first. Oh, just a little bit, but the next one looks.
Puddle, isn't it?
Maybe you should maybe consider putting it in four-wheel drive. What do you reckon?
Yeah, maybe.
And maybe I should air down because that looks pretty sandy.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe reverse and air down, hey?
I'll get out of this one and we'll go back, or let the tyres down and we'll put it in four-wheel drive,
I
eh?
really asked Tyler this morning, I was like, do you reckon it'll be alright to cross those creeks? Yeah, no, there's a
Crocodile sign, no swimming.
I was like, do you reckon it'll be alright to cross those creeks and so I can record you going through? Yeah, no, hard pass on that one.
Alright, I'll get out and air down a little bit.
What are you doing now?
Oh, I've got this beautiful TJM. I'm gonna. There he slowly walks. Oh no, you didn't get taken by a croc.
I saw something move, I was so scared to go across it. I think it was a fish.
Ah, we made it to Surprise Creek. Indy's having her Devon sticks. Show us your Devon sticks for lunch, Chook.
So healthy.
With red sauce, you love it, don't you? And we're all having toasties. And then we're going to go for a swim, I think.
And that's why I'm in that.
It's hot. Anyway, we'll have some lunch and go for a swim. Alyssa's still eating. Surprise Creek food. And get one down there. 3, 2, 1, go. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, then, Mum! I was having a shower. Good?
Yes, really.
Work it, baby. Yeah. What? Got a bit of a leap out. Yeah.
Thanks for the splash.
Hey, what are they doing over there?
I've got the towel. Wait, what did you do it? I just threw it down.
It's alright. You get it. Let's try again. Quick, well.
Alright, leaving Surprise Creek Falls. We all had plenty of fun.
What's for dinner tonight, darling?
Well, we're doing another campfire cook, so we've got a bit of pasta already on. I'm about to put some ribs down, so
Yum.
this thing, honestly, is a game changer. I've wanted one of these for ages. I've cooked on it every night since I've had it. You're loving it, aren't you?
I'm personally loving it because he's actually cooking dinner. I think, what, the last 3 nights you've cooked dinner for me?
Yeah, since
It's
I've had
been
it.
amazing.
Well, since I've had it and I'm allowed to have a fire, obviously, but
It's been amazing. That.
anyway, we'll put these on. Oh, look at my hands, look at this.
I can't remember what flavour they were. We got them from a butcher somewhere. But they were beautiful. But that's half of it. We had the other half a while back.
Oh yeah, that was
Remember? Was it Darlington Point?
yeah.
Yeah.
So New South Wales are eating these in NT. Been a while, but anyway. Need to get to a shop. We're starting to use up the reserves.
I know we are actually. We'll get to Connemara and then we'll stock up on groceries, I think.
Yeah.
Logs is over there, got his own little fire. Hey bud.
It's cranking too.
It is. Good job.
All right.
Beautiful.
Well, we'll update you as we get going here.
Yum.
We're done here. It's taken, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So, whip these off. Already took the pasta off. That's it.
Let's go and eat.
Yeah, look at that. That doesn't get much better than that.
Beautiful.
Righto.
So, right now, we are eating lunch. I'm all done my lunch.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Checking what you're doing. I turn the GoPro on.
What are you doing?
Were you doing a vlog?
You just doing a quick update?
Yeah.
Alright, keep going.
So we'll see you on the next part. Goodbye.